In this video, we will learn on how to receive the outstanding of multiple location from a single location. Log into EPPS ERP. Select the Finance and Accounting module. Select the account receivable transaction. Select the location, EPPS code, and sub-EPPS code from the drop-down list. And click Create. Select the required GL name from the drop-down list. Select the required party name from the drop-down list. Enter the narration. Tick box the flag for multi-location. On doing so, you will be able to view all the invoices in the invoice details pop-up of all the locations under the division for the selected party. Click on Invoice Details to select the invoices. A pop-up window appears with the list of invoices of all the locations. Select the invoices. Click Accept. Enter the amount that needs to be adjusted for the invoices selected. Click Adjust Amount. A pop-up window appears to add ledger details. Select the recipient mode, enter the details and click on Add button. Click on Accept button. The ledger details grid will get filled with the selected ledgers. Click on Save and approve the transaction. Data will be saved successfully. To view the finance impact, select the Ledger Query Report from the Finance and Accounting module. Select the location in which the payment is received, select the GL name, SL name and financial year from the drop-down list. Select the From and To Date from the calendar. And click View. The report is displayed. Click to view all data for the period, to view the detail report for period. We will see that 2 vouchers have been generated. First for the payment of the actual amount, and second for the location transfer of the value of the invoice of the other location. Click on the location transfer voucher. We will see that the branch account has been credited with the amount equivalent to the invoice value receivable in the particular branch. Let's view the ledger report for the second location. Select the location, GL name, SL name and financial year from the drop-down list. Select the From and To Date from the calendar. And click View. The report is displayed. Click to view all data for the period. We will see that the corresponding location transfer voucher has been posted in this location. In this location, the branch account, that is the location in which the amount is received, is debited, equivalent to the amount credited in the receiving branch location. Hope this video can help you to receive payments for multiple locations. Thank you for watching.